Good evening, everyone. This is Senthil from Sashra. Welcome to the daily market update. Let's quickly look at what happened in the market today. It was today's market was in the bear stance. Actually, the sellers took the market in their own hands and then started beating down the market. I think like we see each and every day, the market was trading inside the channel pattern. Today the market has decisively broken out from the channel pattern, right? So due to which, market turns to be bearish, that there's a trend change in the trend in the market. So we should avoid going longs uh, at this point of the juncture. If you're a long term investor, don't worry too much about it. Just keep averaging the good stock, whatever you hold it. A good stock, in the sense a stock with which has a good fundamentals and also been providing excellent results in the recent past. If that particular stock is falling down, then don't worry much about it. Just keep averaging it at the lower price, and in the long run it can do very well actually. So that is one. So if you look at the Nifty, it's clearly a sell. Basically it's clearly a sell from the trend line pattern. And if just just wait for Nifty to open a gap up tomorrow morning. In case if there is a big gap up is happening, and if Nifty gaps up around 22,100 levels, that is a particular level which we need to watch out for. If Nifty closes above 22,170, that is where you should go long. Until then, don't go long, because the market is clearly sell on raise. So every raise in the market, there will be a selling coming up now. So go long only above 22,170. Until then, it's a clear short in the market. So if market comes open somewhere or goes up somewhere closer to here 22,130 or something like that, just buy some put options and then travel to the lower range of the market. So you can make good money in the put options. And also one more point, if there is such a big candle coming up in one particular day, there will be some pullback happening tomorrow. So once that pullback is over, probably day after tomorrow, the market might fall down. That is what is about this. So just wait for one day and look what the market is doing, and then based on that take a decision on the same, right? So 22,170 is the number which we are currently looking out for. Sorry, this is Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty, so what is happening in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is clearly trading in the trend line, which we already saw about it. And tomorrow probably Bank Nifty may come closer to this level. If there is no big gap up or anything as such, it can come closer to this trend line. If it's not taking a support in this trend line, then it can go further down. But based on my understanding and being in the market for quite some time, I guess market might take a support from here this time and move on. If not, if I'm wrong, market, once it closes below this particular trend line, the heavy momentum selling will start to come in. But already there is a severe fall from close to 49,900 to all the way to 47,487. It's a severe fall already in the market. So I expect some rebound will happen around these levels. So keep a watch out on banking stocks. Once the bank index reach these levels, and you can start buying some banking stocks, right? Let's quickly move into Reliance. Reliance, it's clearly sell. I think we already discussed about Reliance. Once it came out from the triangle, it starts to go down and down. I think not only Reliance, most of the stocks have started to trend downwards. So there is no big surprise here. Ashok Leyland is one good stock which we can keep it in radar. So Ashok Leyland, I think it's clearly a retest is happening in Ashok Leyland. So probably we can add Ashok Leyland close to 191.5. So before that, don't take any trade. Just wait for Ashok Leyland to come around 191.5. Right. Gold. So gold is clearly moving above 5 days moving average, and also being Akshay Tritiya coming up tomorrow, so you can expect gold to be on the higher range for one or 2 days, and post that there will be some sell off might be coming in gold, unless 2355 is being crossed on the upper side. There will be no momentum in gold until then. Just wait and buy once the gold crosses above 2355 in terms of dollars. Right, that is one. And IDFC Bank is in the pathetic stage right now, and it's just keeps going and going. And if IDFC Bank takes a support around 75 rupees, then it might be a double bottom. But we need to watch out for, if market is not supporting, then it might head to 70 rupees as well this time. So keep an eye on IDFC First Bank. All the IT stocks are doing pretty much well actually, and today Infosys did pretty much well. If you could see here, Infosys managed to close around 1440, but I expected Infosys to close around 1443 ranges to go for a fresh buy, but it's not happening. I took a trade and I booked a very small loss in this. So IT stocks are doing well, so just wait and buy some good IT stocks in your portfolio. Right. So silver is on the upper trend right now. Silver is already started moving above $28. So if there is any close above $28 today, probably silver can do well, and it can test the $29 again. I think we have covered most of the things. Market is clearly broken out from the channel pattern now, so expect some selling pressure to come. Whenever there is a rise, there will be a selling pressure will start coming in. So keep your positions light, don't go long at this point of time. Just wait for the market to recover or settle down somewhere. So once market settles down, and the reason why market is moving downwards is probably due to the nervousness around the election results, which comes on first week of June. So that is the reason why market is bit tentative. And also FIIs, foreign institutional investors, also been selling in the market continuously for past month or so. So the selling numbers are very heavy actually. So that is one of the key reasons behind market has been moving to the downside. Mostly what will happen is FIIs will keep selling it, and DIIs, domestic institutions, will keep buying it. But this time domestic institutions are not able to match the numbers whatever the foreign institutional investors are selling it. So that's the key reason why the market is just keep not able to withstand any of the support, and just keep breaking it down and going down. So any good news comes in the market, that might act as a trigger point, and that's the reason why market waits for the news right now. So next big news would be the election result. If that comes to be positive, the market will cheer up for the victory, and then starts to move on. If there is any nervousness or any hung parliament comes up, then market can get beaten down much heavily than we anticipate. So keep tracking my channel. I'll be keep updating whatever the news coming up on a daily basis. Right, so I think I covered most of the things. Let's catch up tomorrow on what is the update which comes up, and I'll also post some special video whichever comes up in my radar actually. Right, so thanks a lot, have a good evening, bye bye.